yet run, stand your phone for the last. Still outlaw people love the because no old woman first can get grab up. No juvenile on the road after that. No visitors can get up in the park. Let's go we finish before them start. No shaka can't be no juvenile gun. No stinginess when this night money run. No little shop can't get looking at this long. All who perpetrate and they fuck up and run. No man do more than them share of text. One voice attack just like Simon says.
Welcome on YouTube, Randy here. Happy New Year's to all. Just gonna play some music. I'm just finishing up some stuff around the house. Bless up to everyone watching. Bless up to everyone viewing. Much love, as said. Gonna play some music. I'll be back in the next few minutes. And as said, blessings and a happy New Year to all. Well, go on, Tricky. Well, go on, brother. Much love.
Disrespect. I don't like them other than the love me now neck. I don't like them a captain and they cap shipwreck. So they know how they must suffer from respect. Take it like an example. So the king said, all violators know what come next. With the every trouble like you know we won't accept. Certain work with this up there on a magic carpet. All no sense get where them forget. People live peaceful, don't need to fret cause.
Oh,
We
yeah,
got
man,
them
I'm
out
out
the
of
street.
street.
Late at night when they was asleep. It's in bed and counting sheep. And when they wake up in the morning, they live in street. Enterprise operation, wrap up well neat. Back to business, everything on beat. No man do more than them share a green. No man no froze when no fish no steam. No man no froze when the pot one clean. No man no drink out the dance burning. No man go round where the big man said. No man no greedy and not broke bread. No man no go round the
I said I'll be back. Just enjoy the music, guys.
And we are got them out the street. Late at night when them asleep. And we are got them out the street. Late at night when them asleep. And we are got them out the street. Late at night when them asleep. And we are got them out the street. Late at night when them asleep.
Yeah. Just letting them listen to some music as we finish up.
Got the lion and will grow for your cause. Defend your community at all costs.
Play some
The
crackers.
sun shall not smite eye by day, nor the moon by night, nor the pestilence that lurks in darkness, nor destruction that wasteth plentifully. The time of
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like the richest man in Babylon, and I've done my best, so everything's alright inside. Oh, every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing, so when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to this, I'm blessed away. With my two hands in the air as far as I can. Yeah. As far as I can. I can. Yeah. My two hands in the air as far as I can. Oh, every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. Yeah. Lift up my eyes to this, I'm blessed away. Sometimes I'm lost and far from home, but I find my way. I follow my heart, I know I'll be found someday. While I'm lost, I learn and live. What do you say? Let's have a good time until that day. Oh, every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, I lift up my eyes to this, I'm blessed away. With my two hands in the air as far as I can. Yeah. As far as I can. I can, yeah. My two hands in the air as far as I can. Oh, every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. Yeah. Lift up my eyes to this, I'm blessed away. With my two hands in the air as far as I can. Yeah. As far as I can. I can, yeah. My two hands in the air as far as I can.
The time has just come. I make the call with amazing. And that's where I didn't make them take it. So I'll be here for sure. Don't worry. I'll be saying bam, 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 bam. It's not an easy road. I'm in the city, now I'm on the guitar, so they think I better road. She said, who feels it knows? Ooh, Lord, every Sunday these blues. I cry, it's not an easy road. I'm in the city, now I'm on the guitar, so they think I better road. She said, who feels it knows? Ooh, Lord, every Sunday. Why? I'm the minute I'm going to enter this kingdom. Let you wait to overcome first. Throughout every day, they seem to get worse. Oh my God, cast away this curse. Everybody are trying to make every ending way. Better them ain't never like can you see. No matter what the world may say, out the street. Must have this up. I won't accept defeat. Now I'm weary, tired, dreaming. Not no time to face your better. It's not an easy road. I'm very sick. I'm a guitar, so them think I better rose. They say, who feels it knows? Ooh, Lord, every Sunday these blues. I cry. It's not an easy road. I'm very sick. I'm a guitar, so them think I better rose. They say, who feels it knows? Ooh, Lord,
help me sustain these close minds. Rise to see the sun, you over food you know. Right into this steady to work you have done. Some not satisfied with the post of ally. From the stripes and Pharisees, you got to stay right. For you the headlines in that both side. Now we can disappear, pray for your side. Righteousness prevail, it's down by my side. Shoulder from the way, you live in tonight. Help us all, a Papa tonight. Hold up my head and cry. I tell you now, it's not an easy road. Oh no, it's not an easy road. I tell you, it's not an easy road. Oh no, it's not an easy road. Why I've been traveling morning with such a heavy load. Don't waste no night, you're not the road. Don't know my bird, alongside the road. Oh, I've got to hold it. Yeah, I've got to open myself like a child. Up on my face, I've got to put up a smile. I'll break up the mind just to have more mile. Oh, God, I've got to, because I know that it's not an easy road. I'm in the city, now I'm in the so they think I better post this. Who feels it knows? Ooh, Lord, help me sustain these flows. It's not an easy road. I'm in the city, now I'm in the so they think I better post this. Who feels it knows? Ooh, Lord, help me sustain. Why from the minute of birth to enter this world, in your way to overcome. Throughout every day, they seem to get worse. Oh my God, cast away this curse. Everybody are trying to make every situation better.
I know everybody have a like, we have a like, still the irony, come in all of lights, in a dancer style. I know everybody have a like, still the irony, come in a love lights, every time I rise, we do it for the love, when I do it for the lights, do it for the love, when I do it for the lights. Success don't come overnight. No matter no substance over I. Breathe for the love, we not breathe for the light. No matter enough light, not alright. Sit down in the post and speak all night. Sit down on social media type. While like said the place you know about it. Oh, me never put them up for no life. And me never sit them a listen to your life. You miss a man and you have so much life to me. I'm always still a lead for I do. Simple mean we not ready yet. If you put the music first, that's all. While we there on the bar and I free work, that's all. When you see me, yes, and I see I never choose what me never write. I never show where we headline. No, when I do it for the lights, but I tell them I do it for the love, and I do it for the lights. What I need, do it for the love, and I do it for the lights. Never tell you if you put a shot and bring them. Say me tell you, say you gonna buy a game, then come with me for the love, and I do it for the lights. And today, sing, them no like us, but we no response. Fly out and make them know we from a distance. Come over 2 weeks vacation. No for them still stuck in the quicksand. And no for your say them a the big man. In a Jamaica and them a the big song. A gentleman we hear a play a Finland. They never hear the play in a position. That's simple me we no ready. Love one like a new dancer. While we there on the bar on the high. No take a control in a child. Give me a beat and a mic. Ready for the steal the vibes. But when I put that on your from the timeline. No, when I do it for the lights, mama tell them do it for the love, when I do it for the lights. Jesus Christ, do it for the love, when I do it for the lights. So you could take it every When we mix a tune and drop it like a bomb, me no wanna waste their critique the song. Me no wanna media that interpret me wrong. So make me give me credits in a dancehall fashion first. Big up Prodigy and the one table town. The one Apache and the one Ninja man. Then big up the killer and the one Guinea man. King Yellow man, Guru Buju one dance. Early Dean, that you know see what they done. Me and some of the sister like man. And none of them know what like Mariam. Ladies, you are the man. Big up every nigga, you are the American. Big up that's why I live in a Pakistan. Big up every man that did not know I am a gun. Big up everybody, what you call like a gun. Steal it, only I'm safe, get it. The digital is and I'm king down. Exterminate and say I'm right. See, from my brother, come on, you're right.
Wagwan, everybody. Wagwan. Bless up. Wagwan in that place. Happy New Year to everyone. Happy New Year 2018 has begun. Blessings to everybody that has made it. I'm glad to see everyone here. Shows that we're all here for the New Year. Much love. Drinking some rum, champagne, whatever alcohol, and having a split. So blessings to all. Much love from Jamaica. Had to finish up some stuff in the house. So thank you guys for patiently waiting on me. And what on people? What you guys smoking on? How's the new year? How is everyone doing today? Cheers, everyone, and bless up. I'm going to do a shout out real quick to everyone in the chat. So, yo, bless up Piccolo Son, bless up LMG, Lemon GF in the place. Tim S420, Wagwan, my brother. Chaotic World, bless up. We got ready to hit hot fire. Wagwan, my brother, much love to you. We got Octo Tom. We got Cypher. Much love. Much love, Cypher. You're new. Glad to have you here. Blessings from Jamaica, my brother. We got General Louch, General in the place. So bless up the people, them. Jennifer K. We're going Jennifer. Much love to the Empress in the place. Token Steve. Much love, my brother. Who else we got? Tim S. We got my brother Daniel Beadle, one of the yard of them, my brother from Jamaica. We got Litty and we got Tricky D. Bless up to everybody in the place. Bless up to everyone in the chat. Much love and thank you guys for celebrating the new year with me. Much love.
Sometimes I can't help but feel helpless. I'm having days and daytime while I'm waiting, trying to relate. This can't be happening like I'm in a dream while I'm walking. Cause what I'm seeing is haunting. Human beings like ghosts and zombies. President who got me holding guns and innocent bodies, innocent vibrate. They make John Pope say God. Sacrilegious and blasphemous. In my lifetime, I look back and have no work. Where savages fought, pastors taught, prostitutes starving out here, roots, and badges scream, and young black children stop, I will shoot. I look back and look back, plus cars that pass by, Jaguars, land fly, and I'm guilty for materialism. Blacks are still up in the prison, trust me.
So meditation without a doubt, hey. Calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy. Choose some authority.
Single parents will need some charity. You will some love and prosperity. Instead of broken dreams and tragedy. By the devil and the means and strategy. Say, I have to keep on walking on the road Zion. Hey, I have to keep it burning on the road Zion.
Same here, Piccolo. Can't wait to start my new grow as well. There are a couple plants finishing up, and just say I'm gonna wait it out for a couple weeks before I start planting anything. Along with that, I'll be looking a job for the new year. Go figure. Decided it's time, and we're job hunting this week with the missus. So that's new for the new year. New grow, job hunting. Who knows? Maybe looking in the states. Anyone that wants me in the states and knows of somewhere hiring best cannabis wise. It'd be nice working in a dispensary. But yeah, I'll be looking at job for this week and see what happens. New year, new perspective. Gotta get some things moving on my end, and just glad to be here. Just glad to make it to the 2018. 2018. Wow. Just the other day was 2017. A lot has happened, and I'm blessed to be here. Blessed to be here with everyone. I'll definitely check that out after Tom. If they provide me with a work visa, it would be easier for me to basically get my stuff started out and basically move to the States for a while and work there. But I'm basically looking at job now to gain experience, gain some well needed capital, and grow as an individual. Get chopped like a bad habit. Some of other folks love if you don't have it. Rastafari stands alone. Thinking of getting a job removing asbestos. Interesting. Political violence started. There was an phantom. You can get blind by stardom. Now the king of kings are gone. One man could with me. So wait for no one if you with me. To see this operation sick me. Them suit not fit me. To win election, them trick me. Them down to nothing at all. Come on, let's face. Yeah, a lot of things are slowing down, Piccolo. I get you. Got to find a way to make that dollar. Through those gaps, though, we all need to fill those gaps. So 2018 is the year of green for most of us, all of us. We got to be pumping as hard as possible to get that extra greenage so we can start our grows or fill some well needed spaces in the family. My weed will never be replaced. My growers will never be replaced by robots. I'm sorry. Dank bots can go about them ways. No dank bot. Just to be grown by a human with love, care, patience, and all of that. No dank bot. Bring me to your dankness. No. But the most I would ever do is automate the system where the light deprivation system is on full clock, lights are on full clock, water is on full clock. But other from that, that's the most I'm doing when it comes down to automating. The growers are supposed to go around and check the plants and make sure everything is proper. And we see that Warnock is live now. Bless up to Warnock. Go and check him out when this is finished. The robots will be able to watch back YouTube, so I'll be able to be cool with them. I still don't trust the robots. Nope. Mm-mm. Advanced, integrated minds, AI systems. Nope. None of that. Next thing the robot think it's a better grow and think I'm not needed in the grow. Shut me out of my own grow facility. It'll be war. Yes. Invasion of the Dankbots. Civilization's last fight to protect marijuana. To protect cannabis. Marijuana is the bad name that they gave it. That too, they might do something unethical with the plants. No, thinking, oh, to maximize on the plants, they go, don't need nothing overthinking on my weed. Oil leak, lol.
Verbal conflict is a waste of words. Physical conflict is a waste of flesh. People will always be who they want. And that's what really makes the world go round. Unconditional love is scarce. Shine, God, and
Your ashes are so white, that means that weed has been cured and grown properly and flushed properly. Blessed with all of the white ashes. Pure weed, organic weed all the way. And that's true. Robots don't smoke, so they won't care about the plant. They'll just, as I said, maximize on the yield and growth. As I said, want a farmer to be on that, to have some form of love or personal attachment to it. It's not organic, but it's crazy white. Well, that means that it has been flushed properly, lemon. Once you have white, like pure white ash, yeah man, your weed has been properly flushed. It's a Dankbot love mode initiated. Can't teach a robot how to love.
You've always been good to me, even when I'm not good to myself. You've always been fair to me, even when I'm not fair to myself. You've always done right by me, so I will do right by you. You've always been there for me, so I'll be there for you, Papa. You've always been there to me, brother, so I'll be there for you, sister. You've always had faith in me, so I'll have faith in you.
Bless up Dr. Wiggler in the place. I was looking out for you. Wagwan, Doctor. Wagwan, my brother. Much love and blessings to the new year to you, my friend.
You've always stood up for me.
Bless up Deadhead for the new year. Happy New Year, my brother. Much love to everyone stopping by and showing showing love as always. Blessings to everyone here. I'm going to roll up another one for the new year. So that was my first New Year spiff with you guys. Now I know.
Now I know. Now I know. Now I know. Now I know.
So got this bud here. And if you can focus.
Now I know. Now I know. Now I
Nope, not focusing.
Now I know.
Oh yeah.
Now I know. You give you more, receive you less.
Hands are so shaky.
I guess some things never
Yeah,
change.
nice to the bud.
Cause here I am alone again. Oh, I find that rather strange. To think of things we used to do. But I guess that's only me. And all the stages we've been through. But it wasn't meant to be. Grandma said that I could have my dreams. At least if nothing else. And mama never raised no fool.
Best up East Coast Silas in the place. Much love. Cheers to you, my brother, and blessings for the new year.
Thought this bond would never break. But nothing's permanent in life. All except for change.
And East Coast, you've just been made a mod, so cheers to you, my brother. Welcome to the Wrench Club, and much love.
Now I know.
Cheers to General Loach, sending love in the chat. Cheers to everyone worldwide, I said. Glad to have made 2018 with everyone here. To those who didn't make it, I wish their souls find peace. To those that are being born, all of that, Happy New Year and a blessed 2018.
Grandma said that I could have my dreams. At least if nothing else.
And I got my natural tobacco. I said it comes by the leaf, so this was the leaf that I fully demolished.
Used to be unbreakable.
Let's tear off a piece. Natural organic tobacco.
Nothing's permanent in life.
And much love to you, East Coast Silas. Yes, part of the Blue Crew. Said everyone is important here in my stream. To each your own discard. You're responsible for your behavior. But join the Blue Crew. Show the love. Be a part of the family. They made Phantom Grabber illegal in the UK. No, that is foolishness. Why make Grabber illegal? Where Grabber going there? It's more natural than the cigarettes that they actually sell. Because they process the tobacco. Here in Jamaica, we just grow the grabber, pick it, and that is it. Dry it, and we're good. So to make even organic tobacco illegal, foolishness that. And best of that, East Coast, never knew you grew tobacco. Best for that. Funny enough, my stepdad, my daddy, I call him daddy. So every time you hear me say dad, he's daddy, the person that grew me for up until this point. Yeah, daddy lives near a tobacco company or tobacco farm in Canada. So yeah, natural grow tobacco is so awesome. Some places made milk illegal. A joke, yeah, make Piccolo. So where they get the source of calcium, huh? Let me get a Rizla. Unprocessed milk. So once it's unprocessed, it's illegal. But once it's processed and the companies go through whatever they go through, yeah, it's safe to drink. You guys can go ahead and enjoy these products. Bullcrap. I think the government or the world is trying to push out the more natural stuff and feed us what they want to feed us. Look here, in Jamaica, you can grow your own cow, your own goat, milk that in the morning, and you're good to go. Making the natural stuff illegal, we're going backwards. They're fighting a plant, they're fighting cannabis, and it's a plant, for God's sake. They're fighting natural tobacco, they're fighting unprocessed milk. What else? Fruit. If it's not processed on a farm, you can't have a fruit. Foolishness. I'm blessed up for that East Coast Silas, being able to grow your own tobacco in Canada and soon cannabis. Well, I'll be there this year. We're in 2018, so my little brother is graduating from university, so I'll be definitely there showing my love and support for my little brother. And for anyone that's in Canada, I'll definitely stop by. See if I can escape the family for a bit. But yeah, man, Canada made the right step, legalizing cannabis fully. That's what the world should be doing. Next, they should just legalize everything organic and natural. And I don't wrong you for not drinking any milk or any cream-based substance in your coffee. Trust me, what they're doing with the things that they're feeding us, I would be skeptical. Fruit and veg is illegal to give away in some places in the US. Now that's foolishness. If I grow my tomatoes and my neighbor wants tomatoes, why shouldn't I give my neighbor tomatoes? And cheers, everyone. Right now, I feel that instead of moving to the US, I should move to Canada. They're doing the right steps. They're taking the right steps. So bless up to Canada, but much of worldwide. I'll be worldwide as always, but some places need to grow up and wake up and smell the coffee. And the only thing you put in your coffee is Keef, Dr. Wigger. Bless up for that. Very nice high meds. You got a 12-inch cone to stuff and smoke. Blessed for that, Tim and General Louch. And Tim, so I'll go on, my brother. Much love and Happy New Year. Keef coffee. Yum indeed, Timus. Yum indeed. Augustus Pablo are old school King Tubby Dub. In all honesty, I may know of the artist by the sound of the song. But yeah, maybe the names indeed sound familiar. But here, as I said, here in Jamaica, it's being played. Rum bars everywhere. Old school music is still being played. So I might know it, but may not know the name of the artist. That's sad at times. There are some songs that I only know by the sound or by the lyrics, but not by the artist name. But music is still music and beautiful. And best of for the doctor. Stay medicated, putting keef in his coffee and teas. Much love. I'm glad you're loving the tunes, East Coast Silas. I said, welcome to Jamaica. And one of the reasons I'm scratching along here, I shaved for the new year and I'm still having that itchy feeling, like aftershave itchy feeling. No fertilizer, natural, very no cross pollination, she's a real cure. Cultivated with love, and she's not going for free. She's everything I want, and her so all I need. Your medication makes me high. Just a passion. Like a patient trying to find meditation. Run your fingers and refine meditation. Your medication makes me high. Cool. The Most High God, King of Kings and Lord of Lords, worthy to be praised. I ascribe to you dominion, power, and grace. Yeah, I used that rubbing alcohol on my face already, so it's gonna calm down, but it still has that itchy feeling. And don't worry, I'm not put no rum on my face. I drink my rum. In the Caribbean, we drink rum. And the only alcohol we know is rum, wine, rum, more rum, and liquor. Oh God, having to shave your beard for your job. I remember I had to shave my hair. My hair was like this tall at a point in time. But I was getting a job, I had to shave it off. Y'all need some Hennessy. Yo, on a bounty killer deal with the Hennessy. Remember the Hennessy God. That is indeed true. People do rub down in white rum, like after you've been in the rain and you just got in. Before you get sick or if you're feeling a little ill, rub yourself down in some white rum and drink a little. Yeah, man, just a corkful and you're good to go. And also a little remedy with the white rum. Whenever I got sick and I was like living with my parents, when and just got a cup of coffee, no milk, just some sugar, like a tablespoon of sugar, and basically a shot of white rum. Drink that, wrap up in the blanket, and I'm good to go. And bless up to JTSRT. Seems like we have someone from the Spanish speaking country. Que pasta? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Welcome. Welcome to Jamaica. What is Happy New Year in Spanish again? My sister would so whoop my ass right now. Oh, for those who don't know, I'm half Spanish. Go figure. But living here in Jamaica, I just English and patois. That's me. A little bit of Spanish here and there, but English and patois. In the word science, the letters that are silent is SRC. Letter that is silent. I think they combine and create their own sound, psi. Who knows? Sweet, I'm broad, I'm broad. Extra broader than Broadway. Don't pay Alpha Bloody or Blondie, whatever. But the name of the song is Coco de Rasta.
The rockers from Zion every coast. We're ready, ready to rock. We sing Coco, Coco, Coco de rock. Coco, Coco, Coco de Rasta.
One quick Confucius question. If you commit suicide, isn't it self-defense because you killed the person that was trying to attack you? No, it's suicide. You self-harm yourself. What attacks you is your demons, your mind, your thoughts. A healthy mind resides in a healthy body with a healthy spirit. over the process of life, remaining balance is the major key or the goal for most people. So you have to face your demons, deal with your demons before you can truly move on. So if you commit suicide, yeah, you kind of just quickly ended a long suffering, but at the end of the day, it's still suicide. Pull up. When I say pull up, I mean pull up.
Don't criticize it. Legalize it, yeah. And I advertise it. Some call it damnity. Some call it weed. Some call it marijuana. Some of them call it
That is true. Cheers and thankful for another year. Another year with you guys. Another year to see life. Blessings to that. Happy New Year's to all. So guys are gonna head off of this and get some cooking on the way. Enjoy the rest of the year with the enjoy the beginning of the year with the missus. So blessings to everyone. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Glad that we all made it for 2018. Glad that we all are here. Thankful for the people that are coming in, the new people. Much love to you guys as well. Much love from Jamaica. Blessings all around. Blessings for the start of the new year. Blessings to everyone. First big meal, yes. So much love and one love. Legalize it for the new year, people. Tell the government that they need to legalize it. One love, Randy Gaston. Peace out, everyone.